Showing you what an absolute reference is in Excel and why they are pretty important, and using them will make your life a lot easier. So for this example, I made up some hypothetical revenues and a tax rate. And basically, what we're going to figure out is how much of each revenue gets taken, given multiplied by this tax rate. So the first thing we're going to do is equals, and then multiply A2, first set of revenue here, times 34%, the tax rate. You'll see it's $170,000. But since this video is about absolute references, you'll see that when I scroll down, it doesn't apply it to every cell. You see it just comes out with 0. And that is because Excel, if you look up here in the formula bar, Excel is multiplying A3, right, times B3, which has nothing in it, and it goes down to A6 times B6, and etc. So to fix that, of course, you could type in the formula manually here in each of these, but to make everything super simple, all you have to do is add an absolute reference. And to do that, you go into your original formula and you put these dollar signs there. And what those dollar signs do is lock in that cell. So now that cell never changes, and it's applied to every cell thereafter. And so basically what you see is now A5 is multiplied by that 34%. A7 is multiplied by that 34%, and it never changes. So that's basically an absolute reference. It's just these little dollar signs here to lock in that particular cell. So hopefully that was helpful, and thank you for listening.